Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to create a ledger in Zoho Books. First, log into your Zoho Books account and navigate to the Accountant module. This section is your central hub for managing all financial accounts and settings. Creating ledgers correctly from the start is crucial for maintaining organized and accurate financial records, helping you understand your business's financial health at a glance. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. To begin creating your ledger, click on Chart of Accounts within the Accountant module. Here, you'll see a list of all existing accounts. Look for the Plus New Account button, usually located at the top right, and click it. You'll then be prompted to choose an account type, such as asset, liability, or expense. Selecting the correct type is vital for accurate categorization and reporting. After selecting the account type, you can further customize your ledger. Assign a unique account code, which helps in quick identification and organization. Provide a clear description to explain the ledger's specific use, which is helpful for anyone reviewing your books. If this ledger represents an account with an existing balance, like a bank account, you can enter an opening balance. Finally, ensure the ledger is marked as active to use it for transactions. To maintain a clean and efficient accounting system, regularly review your chart of accounts. Avoid creating redundant ledgers. Instead, utilize existing ones where appropriate. Employ consistent naming conventions, such as sales product A versus sales product B, for clarity. For more complex financial structures, or if you're unsure about specific account types, it's always a good idea to consult with an accounting professional to ensure compliance and accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.